So good morning everybody and once again welcome back in today's class. Today we're on the day number 19 of our class. Okay, and today we are going to be discussing a topic called CSDM. Okay, we are going to be take a topic called CSDM and just 1 minute. Sorry, I was checking something. ठीक है, चलो आते हैं. ठीक है, so we are going to be discussing a topic called CSDM today. What this says and why it is be required. ठीक है, so mainly the CSDM topic which we are going to discuss followed by a white paper that is written by ServiceNow people. Okay, this concept will be the mix of two things. One is CSDM 4.0 and 5.0. CSDM is more on the conceptual side first, then implementation. Okay, what is the meaning of the CSDM? Common Service Data Model. Why it is be required? Okay, I'll come back here. So CSDM says this is what the standard paper, you can download it from this thing. Okay. Yeah. थोड़ा सा यहाँ से discuss करते हैं, बाकी we'll take to the latest one. So CSDM says that I am the IT department. I provide service to HR. I provide service to legal. I provide service to finance. And one department says, hey, you're very good. Other department says, no, you're not good. From one department, I charge 100 rupees. From other department, I charge 30 rupees or the 50 rupees per usage. But at the last, it is tough to be managed because I'm giving different services to the different departments in the different ways. To sort this problem, ServiceNow come up with a new concept called CSDM, which says Common Service and Data Model. CSDM is mainly talk about service. The first day definition. Service is something where we want to facilitate the outcome without owning the risk and cost. That is service. So it says a standard and shared set of service related definition across our products. Either I sell laptop services, email services, network services, it should have a standard definition. Like MACD. MACD sells the burger. Now you go anywhere in the world. If you say that if you go anywhere in the world and you go to MACD and you will say, hey, burger, you will get the same thing. That bun which has one tikki, some sauces, and this will be there. That is a standard and shared services. Either in the US, either in the India, either in the Italy, Paris, Japan, anywhere. The definition of this burger is same. Platform will enable and support true service reporting. Problem was that HR, as I said, that IT department selling the services to the three departments, but they're tough to manage the SLA. तो ये तो एक प्रॉब्लम था. Now they want to be build something common. So CSDM provide a common service and the data model which can be used across the platform as it is. Ab, I am in the 2 bedroom house. Tomorrow, if I purchase 2 bedroom house, the things will be still same. 2 bed, sofa, dining will be common. Either I go in any of the city, I go any of the state, any of the country. If I purchase or if I take a 2 bedroom house, the condition, the model will be still same. 2 beds, one washroom, one kitchen, one balcony. So that is what the CSGM says. CSGM come with the principle. Number one, if I ask you, hey, what is the definition of service? Might be Priya give some different definition, Pratik will give different definition, Chandra will give different definition, and Naga will give a different definition. So CSM says, boss, this is wrong. Across the platform, there should be simple concepts. There should be simple and same definition across the platform should be used. Like if you ask any of the child of 10 years, 12 years old, hey, what is burger? Everybody will say McD. Because people know that burger means it's McD. Bun, cut in between, put one tikki, onion, tomato, sauce, eat it. Why? Because McD make this definition across the platform is common, is a standard. So this is the another principle here. And it is not a code to be executed. It is not an exe file. It is a concept to be understood. Trick. Now, if I come back to the CSM 5.0, yeah, this is the whole soul CSM implementation. You can go to the Google and search CSM 5.0. You will get the first link. That is a PDF which you can see on the screen now. CSM 4 was little easy, but CSM 5 is more wider now. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 domains are there. And if you notice, it's about service. See, service. We'll spend a few minutes to understand the meaning of these definitions, and then we'll go a little bit in the service now. Now, if I am a business and you are my customers, I want to sell you something like training. Training as a service, consulting as a service, BA as a service, personal coaching as a service. So the service which you sell to your customer is called the business service. Like take any of the big MNC. What they say that we are expert in deployment, we're expert in build, we're expert in development. What this mean? They're selling that services to their customer. Like if I open this example, let's say Microsoft. देखो ये ये इनके प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, लेकिन एमएस, और इसको ऐसे करते हैं, रुको, देखो ये माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की सर्विसेज है। ऑफिस 65 इज a service. Skype is a service which a company can publicize on their website so that they can get the customer. That is what is service. So अगर आपको definition पढ़ना है तो let's go this one. Business service. It is a type of the service published to the business user and it typically underpin one and more capability. उस पर भी आते हैं, ठीक है। जो आप बाहर the things, the services, the which you sell to outside to the business users is called business service. Now, if I say that, and it is true, many people told me, hey, why don't you create your own website and put these courses details on the website so that people can reach out to you. Now, if you want to purchase 365 service, what you will do? Go to Microsoft site and you will might be click on this business, and then, or you will click on the support, or might be see all support and fill a form. Hey, I'm this, I'm interested to buy your this service. Means you are using a catalog. This is called the service consumption. There is a lot of difference between 4 and 5, CSDM 4 and CSDM 5. So we are not going to discuss the 4 now. We'll pick up the 5. And definition वहां से pick करें क्योंकि it's common. And who manage this service is BRM or customer service manager. ये दो रोल होते हैं इसमें. Now, what is service offering? When you provide your services in kind of a bundle. So if I go here and see service offering, because यहाँ पे definition सबकी common है. Technical service, हाँ देखो ये क्या कह रहा है? Service offering is a service offering type defined as satisfaction of the technical service or might be service into the localization, geographical, environment, pricing, availability basis पे. मतलब when you divide your services based on the geography, pricing, or capability and group and environment के basis पे. जैसे Atul, I need a 24/7 support. Might be I'm a business. I need a 24/7 support. Do you provide that service? For which one? Email. Service I provide, but do you have the offering 24/7? No. My all services are 9 to 5. ठीक है? Like, again, take example of MACD. What is service offering provided by MACD? Based on the pricing in the different cities, countries. So might be 100 rupees big meal, which is available in India but not in, and $20 it is not available in the US. I provide service in US, UK, and Europe. That is based on the localization. So that you as a customer, you as a business user, if you want to buy my service, you should know that do I provide a service in your country or not, in your city or not, in your region or not, in your location or not, in this pricing or not. That is called business service, and that is come under domain called service consumption. और इस सर्विस नाम में कहाँ मिलेगा आपको? Go here, business service. देखो अभी भी सेल एंड कंज्यूम ही दिखा रहा है बिकॉज इट इज यूजिंग द CSDM 4. ये देखो बिजनेस सर्विस ऑफरिंग, जैसे कैंपेन, फाइनेंस, लाइक SAP एडमिन, क्योंकि दिस इज व्हाट आई एम सेलिंग टू माय कस्टमर्स. आई एम सेलिंग इन द मार्केट. नाउ इट सेज that every, if you go back on the up this part, क्योंकि यहाँ पे डेफिनेशंस का ही खेल है सारा. देखो, underpin one or more business capability. Why you come to me for this session? Because you think that I have this capability to deliver this session, to deliver this product, to deliver, sorry, to deliver this services to you. Right? So this is what the business capability, design and planning. Before you start providing the services to your customers, you have to make sure that you have the capability to provide that service. Design होता है यहाँ पर. Atul, do you provide the services on training in the SAP? No. Why no? Because I don't have that capability. अगर capability होगी, I can give it. Clear यहाँ तक फंडा? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes.
So ये क्या है? ये internal है. Before I start this session, or before I start these trainings, I build my capability. Recently, I done a batch of GRC. I read it, I studied it, and then I make my capability and then launch my service. Like I have a business service or the training, but do I have the business offering? No. I provide only training, one batch at a time. Across the world, time is same. Across the world, fees is same. So I don't have a business. I don't have a business offering. But yes, I have a capability. I have a capability of training. I have a capability of mentoring. I have a capability of consulting. और इसको एंटरप्राइज आर्किटेक्ट, ये मेरे डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट ऑनर्स रूल्स मैनेज करते हैं. नाउ सर्विस नाउ रिड्यूस दिस पार्ट, एडिशन एंड स्ट्रेटेजी. क्योंकि लेट्स से इफ टुमारो MACD brings something new to the customer as service, there will be in the background, there will be some idea. So this is CSDM 5. I show the CSDM 4 as well. कहाँ गया? कैसे देखते लिखो? ये देखो, ये CSDM 4. 3 पे है. I am looking for the 4. I generally follow ये लेते चलो ये रहा, देखो ये रहा, यहाँ पे सेल, डिजाइन, बिल्ड और मैनेज, बट यहाँ पे सर्विस कंजम्पशन इट्स सेल, डिजाइन इज सेम, दे हैव इंट्रोड्यूस दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट क्योंकि बिजनेस नोस that to introduce a new service in the business there must be an idea. Let's bring the idea as well into the CSDM so that end-to-end tracking can be taken care. If tomorrow I says, guys, I started anchoring as a service, might be saying, say, Atul, how you get the idea? See, there's an idea, then I'm able to do this particular part. And idea will be taken care by the product owners. So now I have business capability and I have a business application. I have a business application. Let's go back here. What is business application? Yeah. A purchase or internally developed application used to support that capability. Means it is like a software which either you build it or either you purchase it from a third party so that you can support your capability. Like ServiceNow or like Excel is a business application for me where which I use to support my capability. Like someone says, a company says, hey, we are expert in Java. Their business service is Java development. And now they need to be maintained that Java. So how they can maintain the Java? They must have the JDK or SDK, something is there. Definitely they cannot internally develop. They need to be taken from the Sun or the Java itself and have to be used it. That is what the business application. अब जब ये हो गया, then we have to build in the background. Build an integration. Here all SDLC component. It is not that I just get up tomorrow and say, hey guys, I'm starting the training services. It took time for me to build it. Agenda, timings, fees, course content, everything I have to build it. That is my SDLC. And now in the 5 service and reduce DevOps as well. Let's do end-to-end automation for that service. And that is called build and integration domain. And then this is something which is nobody know. Nobody see. The actual people, actual team who work on that particular service. In my company, I am the SME for ServiceNow. My company provides services to their customers, consulting, advisory, implementation. We have that capability and we are using ServiceNow to record that capability, making the skills and everything, doing the POCs, doing the demos. But who is maintaining at the background? This is what the delivery team come into the picture. So this is the major section where ServiceNow changed a lot. See, यहाँ पे इतना कुछ था. Application service, dynamic CI, but here service instance and introduce the service delivery system. Means यहाँ पर in this section your core services will be discussed. So if I show this mean because so service instance means okay, now I'm supporting to my customer for the email. But which environment of the email? Email in the dev, email in the production, or email in the test? This what come under the service instance. And to run all these 5, we have a foundation data in the picture. Location, department, group, user, company, business, knowledge, business processes, contract, product, everything is there. Because you pick up any of the area, you need foundation as a base there. ये सब चीजें कहाँ जाती हैं? Foundation table में, like user group we know. So business service is this thing. So like you can say BlackBerry is a business service. I am a company. Pratap is a customer who is looking for some company who can help him or help him to manage his BlackBerry services. He was checking on the internet. He found my company name. Oh, Atul company provide the services of the BlackBerry. He go to my website. He requested for the sales team. My sales team says, okay, we are able to help you, and the deal has been done. And now in the system, I have BlackBerry service. ये देखो सपोर्ट ग्रुप मैनेज बाय, ये सारा का सारा बैकएंड में ये इन चीजों का काम है, ये वाला. And every so now it is a service and type is, so mainly how you define it's a service table only, CMDB CA service table, but this section will tell that it is business service or it is, so now you can see technology management service. It means 5 dot in the picture now, or it is a application. It is staging, QA test or development or training. It's a production. It's a production service now. And then we map the business service with the service offering if we have anything. So I provide BlackBerry services in US 9 to 5, in UK 8 to 5, in India 6 to 6. So these are 3 different services, 3 different service offering based on the geography. So it might be, it not be required that you have a business service offering as well. So now if I go back here, open service offering, I provide hotel reservation service offering. And under that, I don't have any business service now. So if I want, I can link it. So this and parent can be, see, BlackBerry is there. See. So now if I open this as a BlackBerry, any other view available, CMDB compliance, ठीक. So this is what I sell to my customer. And for that, I get the catalogs, which you see. Business capability. Go here and search for the business capability. ये देखो design. Then you create a business capability and link your business service. Capability, BlackBerry, POCs. Let's say this thing. Parent. क्यों भाई क्यों नहीं आना parent में? Show parent कहाँ है? अच्छा कैपेबिलिटी को मैप करो, ठीक है, नहीं. And save. And now you can get a relationship with the business application, sorry, business service or the. So ideally, this is also important. This is also one thing important which I want to show you. Let me close this. Yeah. In CSDM, every relationship is a predefined with the different tables. So business capability provided by the business application. हम क्या देख रहे हैं अभी? हम देख रहे हैं बिजनेस कैपेबिलिटी और बिजनेस सर्विस का रिलेशन क्या है. बिजनेस कैपेबिलिटी बिजनेस सर्विस, ये देखो, ये रहा. It's provided by. So now if I want to be add it, I have to be see कि यहाँ पे कौन सा रिलेशनशिप काम करेगा मेरे लिए. Provided by ना, provision, provided, provides, ये देखो provided by. और provided by का रिलेशनशिप क्या है? बिजनेस सर्विस के साथ है. This is the another founding principle of the CSDM, that relationships are predefined. If you are making any other relationship other than this, you are violating the CSDM principle. So with this, we can create the relationship of, देखो है ना, क्योंकि business capability is linked with the business service. Business application. होटल की मतलब you are providing hotel reservations, that's fine. But how I as a customer can use? Do you have a mobile app? Do you have a web based? I said I have a mobile app. That is my business application. जो मैं आपको बेच रहा हूँ actually मैं. This is what I'm selling to you. क्योंकि वही तो आप यूज करोगे ना. So we have a business application, and business application is linked with the, देखो business application लेके link with the information object or with the application service. यहाँ पे बात हो रही है, ये तो चला गया, मतलब ये सर्विस इंस्टेंस की बात हो रही है अभी कि इस रिलेशनशिप के साथ बात करते हैं. इसमें देखें, लेट मी सी वन मोर थिंग. रिलेशनशिप, हाँ ये देखो, क्योंकि टेबल हैज बीन चेंज, अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैज बीन चेंज नाउ. ये देखो, ये रहा. हम कहां पर हैं? वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द business application. Business application is linked with the business process. Business capability linked with the business service, जो हमने देखा. Business application linked with the information object, and business application linked with the application services. ये येलो में ये इसमें क्यों है? क्योंकि these are considered as service instances now. Service instances various. It can be dev, it can be test, it can be production, it can be QA. Application service is the one on which you actually log a incident. Atul, you are an email service provider and I purchase the email services from you, but email is not working. My first question, in which environment it is not working? It's not working in dev. Sorry, I don't support dev to your company. You don't have that agreement with me. Atul, it's not supporting the production. Yes. Production, I can help you because this is what service you purchased me. You purchase my software, so I have to make sure that in the you purchase the email services from me, so I would make sure that your all employees should be able to receive emails properly. Now, did you purchase email on phone or email on web? That is a again offering, a type of the business service. So this is what a business application service is connected with the, sorry, business application used by application service. This is 63 pages white paper. I can guarantee you cannot read the 63 pages PDF in 63 days as well. It's too heavy to be digest. So a standard relationship has been given by ServiceNow that how to use the CSDM relationship. This is the another founding principle. And then finally, and now you can see value stream also there. There's a concept called value stream workspace. You provide your service to the different departments, but department is not the right word. In ITL4, this is called the value stream. So value stream linked with the business capabilities, business processes. देखो यहाँ पर business application linked with the business process. Business application linked with the business process ये ना. कौन सा प्रोसेस उसका आप सपोर्ट कर रहे हो? चेंजेस का, इंसिडेंट का, प्रॉब्लम का, कौन सा प्रोसेस का आप सपोर्ट कर रहे हो बैकग्राउंड में? आई नो इट इज little heavy for you to digest, but intention to give little background so that you can understand that there is some concept exists in the market about the CSDM as well. And then finally, if I come back here, you're saying, see, service delivery, service instances, application service or technical service. Under that, technical services you provide. So this is what is this. Okay. देखो उन्होंने पूरे टेबल्स टू टेबल मैपिंग भी दिया हुआ है. प्रोडक्ट मॉडल ने देखो ये, और अल्टीमेटली मेरी जो बिजनेस सर्विस ऑफरिंग है दैट इज ऑल्सो लिंक विद माई एप्लीकेशन सर्विस. कस्टमर ने बोला ईमेल, बट ईमेल फॉर विच प्रोडक्ट, विच इंस्टेंस, प्रोडक्शन, डेव और क्यूए. सो आई सेड प्रोडक्शन. दैट इज लिंक विद द ऑफरिंग. And here the rules are service instance owner, delivery owner, or service provider. And then we can create this thing, application service. डैशबोर्ड दिया इसने पूरा. देखो ये रहा. If I come back in the home, I can see full CSDM dashboard. If I want to be see new applications. ठीक है, कुछ क्लैरिटी हुई?
Sir, that board was showing like CMDB dashboard.
Okay, one more thing. Good. Now in the Zurich release, ServiceNow introduce a new dashboards. Let me open you. That is called CSDM dashboards. So either you can go here, CSDM, okay. जो सर्विस इंस्टेंसेस सेटिंग्स ये सब वही है आपका 5.0. इसमें do you have anything called the dashboards or not? Yeah, CSDM Data Foundation dashboards. This is introduced by ServiceNow in the Zurich release, where you can see. So ServiceNow say that implementing the CSDM. So this image, which you're able to see, this is the idle image. When I say idle means it is not necessary that you should implement everything in your company by seeing this image. ये बहुत idle है कि सारा कुछ आप use कर रहे हैं. And ServiceNow say there is a process to implement. देखो, foundation, crawl, walk, run and fly. बच्चा भी यही करता है. He baby हुआ, birth, then crawling. धीरे 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 after 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, he start crawling or she start crawling. Then walking, then run and then fly. If you want to see your CSDM implementation, you can see that what are the services in the foundation at point of time. What are in the crawling, where I'm in the crawling perspective. That did I set up the relationship? Did I did some automation? Then walk. Because if you see this, for everything ServiceNow tell that in the foundation, you have to just do these things. Don't do much. Like if you see here, crawl. Crawl, ServiceNow say, add the business application, add the SDLC component, add the application service. बस ये 3 चीजें आपकी होनी चाहिए. Run, more mature, and then fly. Complete end-to-end automation will be there. And now in the bottom, you can see without product owner, location without parents, business unit without companies. You can see your data here. And the same thing you can go CMDB. जब मैं भी टॉपिक देखा. Any customization is there. Data management practice and ITSM processes. Incident not referring CI, change not referencing CI. This will be there. Definitely this reporting will be a separate topic for us. So ServiceNow provide me a lot of dashboards as well. If I go back here in the dashboards, platform का क्या है? Or I can see here CSTM, CM. No, there's nothing. So it means they move everything to the there only. Or let me remove this and search here. कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है, no problem, leave it then. ठीक, so we'll discuss in this dashboard in a separate topic. All clear about CSDM now, 5.0. Go ahead, Pratap.
So regarding the CSDM application, so we are going to say like we are going to sell the business application to the end user, right?
No, business service.
Business service, sorry. So can we say like service port is a business service, or maybe a now
No.
mobile is a business service for them
No.
that we are going to sell? So?
Now mobile for what? Now mobile तो एक application है ना?
Application, right?
But now mobile for what? What you selling to the customer? What is selling to the customers?
So they can raise a ticket or something from their mobile side. Ultimately, they are requesting service through the mobile platform.
नहीं, ये आपका business application है जो आपको this is be helping you to maintain or to provide your services. जो app है वो तो आपका वो है, instance हो गया. But by using the mobile app, what I can do as a customer, वो आपका business service है.
Okay.
So I'll give one thing, one homework for today. Go here and just mention CSDM 4.0 use cases. Let me see if I can get something. Okay. CSDM 4.ms365. या तो ये देख सकते हो आप एक बार, ठीक है? I'll show you one thing which I generally follow. ये देखो, जैसे ये है, people just copy pasted everything. Examples करके ढूंढता हूँ, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. If you read that ना, that will be more easy for you to be understand. ये तभी देखा हमने, ये देखो जैसे ये है, इसमें भी होगा कुछ यूज केस तो शायद. ड्राफ्ट, ये तो पुराना है, या इसमें देखेंगे कुछ एग्जांपल्स, बिकॉज सर्विस नाउ एक्चुअली प्रोवाइड दिस एग्जांपल्स. हाँ देखो जैसे ये है. गुड, देखो ये भी सर्विस नाउ की साइड से ही है. Okay, you can do one thing. Go to now create. We have a section for the now create. So go to now create and download the CSDM. So now if you see the different things, consume, design and manage. Consume means which is selling to your customers. Business service. Business service क्या है? Direct messaging services. File share is a business service. Email is a business service. अब email service के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? You need some software, right? Outlook चाहिए, ये web based चाहिए. That is your business application. ठीक है? So there are many examples like this. There is an example for the HRSG as well. I'm not sure that why it's not showing four dots examples. Healthcare. ये देखो. ये देखो, ये देखो. MRI is my business service. And offering क्या है? ये inpatient और outpatient. एप्लीकेशन सर्विस क्या है? जो प्रोडक्शन में काम चल रहा है, एक्चुअल एप्लीकेशन जो यूज होगी बाय द यूजर्स, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम मेंटेनिंग इट. और इसकी कैपेबिलिटी क्या है? आई हैव अ क्लिनिकल डॉक, inpatient app, I have a my chart outpatient app to provide that one. Because ultimately, if you see one thing here, portfolio, यहीं से सारा खेल शुरू होता है. That is common for everybody, for every uh, domain. What is my portfolio? What is your portfolio? Means what you can provide to your customers is your portfolio. That is what the important. So कहता ना कि oh, like my company portfolio is very big. Now, if you take example of Tata, Tata's portfolio is very big. Tata in the IT, Tata Cars, Tata Salt, Tata Sarees, Tata is in airlines as well. So कितना बड़ा उसका portfolio है? In that portfolio, they have a different business services. So ultimately, start यहाँ से जाता है सारा कुछ. So if you see this portfolio is imaging. Under that portfolio, I have a MRI, I have a CT scan, I have a X-ray. And under that, I have a registration. Inpatient, outpatient. To record the inpatient, I have a business application. So okay, for the inpatient, I have a business capability. That is, I have something which I can sell to you. That is patient management. How to manage the patient? I have an application called the My Chart Inpatient and Clinical Doc Outpatient. And this is linked with the production or dev or QA. And to maintain this application in the production, I have a technical services. I have a hosting services, I have deployment service, I have a other services. अब क्लियर हुआ कुछ प्रताप?
यस अतुल, तो रीड करना पड़ेगा इसके बारे में डिटेल.
सॉरी क्या करना है?
रीड करना पड़ेगा डॉक्यूमेंट सारे.
Yes. So we did not have this session till now. Now create a small session where you can get this documentation very easily. Read it. As I said that CSDM is not .exe file. CSDM is all about these concepts. If you go and read the first paper on these principles or these things, you come to know that what is actually CSDM. What we discuss is like 2% of the whole paper. So now they're using the AI as well, AI data models. Go ahead, Vikram.
So CSDM, like we can say it's a process. Whoever any organization who is working service now, using service now, they need to implement this process in their system. Is it something like that?
देखो, they need to तो बहुत बड़ी बात हो गई. Because need it depend about on your portfolio. Now, like if you ask me, Atul, will you implement CSM in your company? I said no. I'm the one man army. I have one or two services. Why should I bring a lot of data necessary management maintainability in my system? But if you talk about the Tata, Accenture, Wipro, Infosys, Cognizant, Capgemini, see their capabilities, see their portfolio, see their business. They need to be implement the CSGM. So let's say you join a new company and you say, you ask your manager, hey, what type of services you provide to our customers? Or you have an induction where HR told you about the company. This is company, it has been built up on this particular time and date, and we provide these many services to our customers. And you are the part of ServiceNow. You're the part of Salesforce. You're the part of cloud. You're the part of deployment. You're the part of these things. So how a company get a project? Because they have that business service in the market, and then other customer or the customer buy that and come to us. And then we say, hey, I'm working on this particular project. But to get the project, every company is using. So when I say how you get a project, it means we exist somewhere in this area. क्योंकि अगर हम ही नहीं है तो वो यहाँ तक भी नहीं जा पाएंगे. So we are there, but we are somewhere in this area. We are supporting our company to build this. We are supporting our company to build this. and then company is selling this. Clear, Vikram?
Yes, sir. So adding to the same question, like as you gave example of TCS Wipro, so they are like into multiple product support. So for every different product, they will be having different structure for CSDM, or it come
No.
under one?
No. Data model will be one.
Okay.
So that is, if you see, they have value streams as well in the picture. They have idea also in the picture. They have deliveries as well in the picture now. So आप एक company है. So if you notice this thing, if I go to relationship part, ये देखो यहाँ पर. This says business process को भी लिंक कर दो business capability से. पहले कंसेप्ट नहीं थे, बिजनेस प्रोसेस नहीं था पहले. अब भाई टाटा, either they in the support, either they in the airlines. इंसिडेंट तो फिर भी आ ही रहे हैं ना. एयरलाइंस में तो भी इंसिडेंट आ रहे हैं, सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं तो भी इंसिडेंट आ रहे हैं. मतलब प्रोसेस तो है ही उनके पास, बिजनेस प्रोसेस तो है ही. डोंट थिंक इज दैट व्हाट टाइप ऑफ सर्विस दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग. पूरे रिकॉर्ड बना के लिंकिंग कर दो. अदरवाइज तो फिर तो सीएसडीएम का फायदा ही कुछ नहीं. डेटा मॉडल तो कॉमन हुआ ही नहीं फिर तो. द पर्पस टू हैव अ कॉमन डेटा मॉडल अक्रॉस द प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर ऑल टाइप ऑफ सर्विसेज, ताकि if I am a CIO, CTO, a C-suite level person, I just see the high level how my service is behaving. I can see immediately. इसलिए it is not just a concept कि आपने 1 घंटे में पढ़ा तो हो गया clear. If you read this white paper completely, then you understand this, the benefit of this particular part. ठीक है जी, clear everybody now?
Yes, sir.
Good. Any other doubt, question? Okay, let me stop recording.